Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on ICP or Internet Computer. Want us to do a quick update on that. It's we got bullish moves in the last well, since the bottom on Tuesday. Actually, we got some nice bullish moves. ICP in general is a bit more bullish than Bitcoin, which is nice to see. You can also see that the correlation is dropping down a little bit now because ICP is more bullish. I mean, Bitcoin also got a bit of recovery from Tuesday. ICP got a little bit more of recovery, and well, we're diving right into the analysis right now, but hopefully you don't mind. But we talked about this, all right? If you remember last analysis, this is exactly what I drew, all right? Now, I did think that 10.5 was more likely to be the support level where we got the spike from, but in some way it actually also was, because we broke down below that level. So what I said then is that, all right, well, then it's most likely we'll drop down to 9.5. Maybe we'll find some support there. But I did say that I thought it was more likely that we would drop down to $9. So I was wrong about that. But what we talked about and what is more relevant right now is the fact that there was a lot of liquidity to the upside, to the supply side. And that is exactly what we grabbed with ICP right here, all right? So you'll see that right here. There was a lot of liquidity, I think all the way from 11.5 to 12.5. So in the end, here you can see a lot there. We grabbed that. There still is some at 12.5. But what I also said in my last video, and I still stand by that, is that I did think that that liquidity would function as resistance, all right? And I think that's what's happening right now, all right? We found resistance there. If fundamentally, we've already looked at ICP more often, and there's things to be bullish about fundamentally. But if we technically look at the price, look, we had a bit of open interest. We had a bit of momentum build up over the course of yesterday and into the night. But ever since, that has been dropping down. So I think it's most likely that ICP will continue dropping down. We have a bit more of solid support here between $11 and 10.5 again. So look, I have to say that there is a possibility we'll go higher, but that would fully depend on Bitcoin. All right, if Bitcoin starts going up to 40,000 or 41,000, excuse me, and towards 42,000, then ICP can actually rally up higher. All right, so then we can actually break above this level right here at around $12 and rally up to 12.5 and $13. Do I think we can break above that? Yes, but I don't think that's most likely. I even don't think this is most likely. I think this is a possibility if Bitcoin becomes very bullish. But at this moment, to be fair with you, there's no indication of Bitcoin becoming very bullish. It looks more likely that Bitcoin might spike up a little bit, but the Bitcoin dominance is still bullish. So that little spike might not mean that ICP will get a bullish breakout. So overall, at this moment, I still stand by my last analysis, in which, like you hopefully remember, I said we could get a spike up, but from that spike we'll drop back down below 10.5 and slowly start falling down towards 9.5 and $9. And that is what I think is most likely. I think that's most likely if you take a look at the general market circumstances for ICP here, the technical structure, correlation with Bitcoin, how it's reacting to this resistance. I think this is most likely. Now, what you see here doesn't mean that we'll have a huge drop in 2 days. It means that we'll slowly drop down, find support along the way. But my directional bias definitely is still bearish. So I'll keep you updated on that. If Bitcoin really becomes bullish, like I said, I'll keep you updated on the implications of that. But for now, these are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the comments and in the pinned comment and the description as well. But that's up to you. There's no need, but might be valuable. So for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.